Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your daily reading for the 7th of October 2021. Let's see what is coming up for everyone out there for today. King of Pentacles, you might be keeping yourself busy with your work scenarios. Maybe you will have a lot of things to get done with. Plus, I do see that you will be feeling very good about your um, emotional, mental, and physical stability. I feel like you are going to feel very good about yourself today. You would not have any negative thought. You would not have any doubt or fear around whatever it is that you're pursuing right now, whatever it is that you're doing right now. You are going to feel confident in yourself around it. Let's see more cards here. Temperance. For some of you, maybe you are going to stumble upon some delays. Maybe it's going to be about some sort of travel for some of you. For others of you, maybe you really want things to slow down, maybe because you have a lot to do. But I feel like there are certain things that for some of you would want them to get delayed. For others of you would want things to go slow. But I feel like you will have a lot on your plate to get done with. Okay. Wow, I mean, directly do have the Seven of Pentacles. Wow, it seems like you really wish and hope that the time could stop, or you could reverse the time back to some particular time frame. Because there are certain decisions that you have to make, but at the same time maybe you feel like you don't have, or you didn't get enough time to think about it, which is why maybe at times you feel like you really need the time to stop. You really need the time to kind of pause so you could make that decision. For majority of you, maybe it's a decision that you have to make around your love life, and maybe you really want that space for yourself, which you would not be getting. Like you might be getting very busy now. If you are not in that situation, then maybe it's energy of the other person. Maybe they want and they wish that they could have more time to make a decision about their love life with you. Why? Because they might feel like they are slipping away. The chances of having their love life sorted out is slipping away from them. So I feel like somebody really wants to make a decision in love life, but at the same time they don't have time, be that you or be that the person that you are dealing with. So there will be like this wish and hope around, if the time could stop, if they could reverse the time to a certain frame where they could make that choice where they would choose you. If it's their energy, or if it's your energy, then maybe you want to fix things, going back in times where you might have chosen a wrong path, wrong situation over the right one. So maybe there is going to be that kind of a inner conversation that you would be having. But overall, I feel like it's going to be a good day. Let's take one last card. Two of Pentacles. You really want to make a decision. You're confused about it. And again, the need to have some time to think about it is there as well. Like maybe there is something that you really want to make a decision about when it comes to your love life, but you don't have enough time to think around it. Whether it's going to be a good thing for you, whether it's going to be a bad thing for you, you really want that time to decide for yourself. And I feel like it is something related to your love life. But yes, your work life is blocking this. Why? Because you are unable to have that time to think around your love life because of your work situation. Now it can be your person's energy as well, like I said earlier. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.